Today we will learn how to use adjectives in Spanish. आज हम सीखेंगे adjective का कैसे स्पेनिश में यूज करते हैं.
Juan no es muy alto. Alto, adjetivo.
John is not very tall. Tall is the adjective.
Él vive en una hermosa casa de madera. Hermosa, adjetivo.
He lives in a beautiful wooden house. Beautiful is the adjective.
Tomamos unas bebidas calientes. Adjetivo, calientes.
We had hot drinks. Hot is the adjective.
La vieja escuela ya no estaba. Adjetivo, vieja.
The old school was gone. Old is the adjective.
Soplaba un fuerte viento del sur. Adjetivo, fuerte.
A strong south wind was blowing. Strong is the adjective.
Es la más lista de la clase. Adjetivo, lista.
She is the smartest in the class. Smartest is the adjective.
El tiempo seco dura 2 meses. Seco, adjetivo.
The weather lasts 2 months. Dry is the adjective.
Su ayuda fue muy útil para nosotros. Adjetivo, útil.
Your help was very helpful to us. Helpful is the adjective.
Cerraron la vieja puerta de hierro. Adjetivo, vieja.
They closed the old iron gate. Old is the adjective.
Una cama cómoda para dormir bien. Adjetivo, cómoda.
A comfortable bed to sleep well. Comfortable is the adjective.
El elegante traje del hombre con sombrero. Adjetivo, elegante.
The elegant suit of the man with a hat. Elegant is the adjective.
En el fútbol, los balones son siempre redondos. Adjetivo, redondos.
In soccer, the balls are always round. Round is the adjective.
Cantas bonitas canciones por las mañanas. Adjetivo, bonitas.
You sing beautiful songs in the morning. Beautiful is the adjective.
Hoy los alumnos están enfermos de gripe. Adjetivo, enfermos.
Today, the students are sick with the flu. Sick is the adjective.
El sol radiante iluminaba los campos de trigo. Adjetivo, radiante.
The radiant sun illuminated the wheat fields. Radiant is the adjective.
Tu actitud no era fácil de comprender. Adjetivo, fácil.
Your attitude was not easy to understand. Adjective, easy.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Recuerden suscribirse a nuestro canal.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We teach free Spanish and English every Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. IST. If you wish to join our live classes, we are more than happy to welcome you. Thank you. Happy learning.